Kospet, a watch you want? Well, let's find out. Yago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's not welcome, let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings like this one today. If something that interests you, please consider subscribing. With this said, let's start the review. First video of the year, 2022. Happy New Year, guys. So today we have another budget smartwatch. We have the Kospet Magic 4, Kospet Magic 4, and guys, less than £50. Well, less than $50, so even less than £50. And you got quite a good features on this watch. So let's jump in on a review and see if it's worth it, the $50. Starting with the price like always. Right, out of the bat you have 5% off if you register your email. So this is a good start. The Kospet Magic 4 has a price tag of $49.99. I will leave links in the video description and also a discount code. Please check them up for best price and product information. The Kospet Magic 4 comes with a silicone strap, a Type-A USB charging cable with 2 magnetic pins, and the manual. Checking the watch for the first time, you can see the simple design with a round shape. It looks great and have a premium feel on your hand. The Magic 4 dimensions are 260mm with the straps by 46.5mm by 10.5mm and weighs 56 grams with the straps on. The straps have a 20mm width. The Magic 4 body is made of metal and plastic and feels really strong. The screen is 1.32 inches TFT IPS screen. On the right side, you have 2 buttons. The power button with the nice red line turns on and off the screen and off and on the watch with a long press. The other button is your back button. On the back, we have the 2 magnetic contacts for charging, and on the center, the sensors. Talking about the sensors, let me tell you the specs/features of the Kospet Magic 4. The Kospet Magic 4 comes with chipset Realtek 8762DK. It has a HRS 3300 heart rate monitor. It comes with a 1.32 inches larger Retina display, 5 ATM, water resistant, 20 sports mode, sleep monitoring. It has a 230 mAh battery with a battery life of 7 to 10 days. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and has an app. The Fit is the name. Pairing the Magic 4 with my iPhone was not a problem, connecting first time. The Magic 4 has a great 3D curved glass display with a 1.32 inches Retina display. It is a full touch control screen. It's bright enough and clear inside. Outside, because it's an IPS screen, sometimes you will struggle with bright sunlight. It has a resolution of 360 by 360 with a 385 ppi. No speaker or microphone on this watch, so no James Bond here. navigating through the menus is very simple and fast. The Magic 4 is very responsive. Next, let's see the tracking features. Let me start by saying that the Magic 4 doesn't have SpO2 tracking, and that is a really downside. Moving on, it has BP monitoring and HR monitoring. But let's not forget that this watch is not a medical device. It has 20 sport modes, like swimming for example. And you can go to bed with your Magic 4 because he will track your sleep. Because it has sleep monitoring, so you can understand your sleep quality. If you are one of the female viewers of our channel, be happy because you can track your period and ovulation times with the Magic 4. Next, the battery life. It's where all the budget watches win. But let's have a look. So, the Kospet Magic 4 is not bad as well for a budget watch, so you will get 7 to 10 days on a normal use and about 30 days on standby. The watch will take about 2 hours to fully charge. The last is the app that fit, and like many budget watches, this app works with more smart devices and brands. It will be nice to see Kospet introducing their own app, but with this said, the app will show you all the important data. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch, a watch with a simple but great design, missing a few things like the SpO2 monitoring, but with a great price. And that's all for today guys. Just before we go, I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch, and remind you guys to help my channel subscribing and giving a thumbs up in this video and sharing with your friends. With this said, Tiago here, wishing you a great 2022, and I'll catch you on the next one.